ka office jong ka district social welfare officer haringkat ka district sport officer ka Meghalaya home guard and civil defense menta ka sngi ke la penlong ye ki program kerpang ban rakhe ye ka international day against drugs abuse and illicit trafficking da ka penlong ye ka marathon ka 1 kilometer na Saiden sha NSCF indoor stadium nongpo bat ka jingya rally ka ban nongpo town shopping complex sha district library auditorium hall nongpo bat hakane ka sngi la yo ru ban penlong ye ka program ha district library auditorium hall haka balawan ban shimbenta da uba Mayral bon sim MLA ka nongpo constituency haka jingdon ringkat uba PH Sela divisional commander jongka Meghalaya home guard and civil defense ribhoi division u Dr Abhishek Saini IAS uba S Pasleng MPS uba Deiru u DSP ribhoi ka kong E Kharshandi district social welfare officer ribhoi district ki khana school bat ki wei pan ha ka next ngi ki nongkren ki lakran shibun ki mat halor ka jingkta u drogs ha ke Imlang Sahlang bat ka kamram jongi kum ki pajba ban yesno ktilang bat ka sarkar khnang banla bante lakam ye ka ne ka jingsni u drogs bat ngimdei ban yu ben ye ki henre ngin persang ban yalam ye ki shakalinti babe ha ka next ngi la yo sngew ye ki jingrwai kerpang bat la yo ru ban sam ye ki khusnam shakin nong job jongki competition ba pher ki bakan thup ye ka marathon ka essay writing competition, drawing and painting competition, bat ka slogan and poster writing competition.
Patakam jungi kalong kumni kabangi sedang menyelak persyak swa persyak yu drugs habangi yo banai jingkai pi haka training repair ngalak ban pentemau pi sipang doi honggat volunteers ubayo posting haka traffic hamanan leting hasilong lakatokan isnan hakapor kumbai laong ikong DS Briew menai kong hari perlu bodi datang YouTube mereka katukian paling maklang hi bro kawai pangi ku kisam la bae jonga ke drugs lane drugs umding juba nanu wakila bansiam kejingem penban unang pun kraw unang pun he susu kejing ia jongki lon ki baslur don kemensiam ke basunrang awa bisiam kenu jing ia om.com ban phai su drugs Henry phai si bahaya mahsam ba phai su tu banalor dan khosli ba duai ba tu yu nai bori khi akani gasni ngai kumplai fi baroi wi ba ka kwa pro bahaba kot kani ka program ba kendra ka kubor si yeng sesan bagi ni banile persya drugs bagi ni banai bun yo ban su thiet hakadong kasnong bat akan di district ka bayi de jongi nilong ki ba job nilong ki ba tuli ini le persya yu drugs bat ngin ken mau pat du kumju bakat kum ka phang akan di jing yar ki yang benta kasni people's first kemut ngin ken mau ba unong di drop ru de hi Briew ubatan ya ka jing slo dan ya ka jimot berkhat ke mengilong mengi ngini dan ka mensium ka bejensur ngim ban kloi ban bisa leban program iki ndai ni bandan kementerian ka bajen sur bangin perkhat ka benta jengki bangin yo bani selok berkumbai laong imadam dia Briew mena bangin pedi iki kalat kalenti kumna batin like nakani ka jingkerni
manla usnam arbun rel tarik jong ubnai jun ni ju rakhe yang ne gasni kerpang banin kinmal ba nin ya yang persya ya ka jingdi drugs ba ya ka jing khai tu ya uni ki jingdi ki ba penbuat bat ka bakta ya ka Imlang ka Sahlang ka jongi kam ta kam yu tu nong di henrei drugs ta ya baru kita ya don lang hak Imlang ka Sahlang lada don tam uwe hayi yang kuba buat kerni hak jengdi drugs kat no ka tak dori ya kita yang basan kat no ka pen uslai ki kini ki pa nalor kata ru wat ki marjan ki marpa hayi yang kasam namta Imlang ka Sahlang ni lada don tam uwe udan kum kata jengdi ka basniu kat nuni bisa ngapiyo i kat nu ki jenis niyo kita lada ki don kum kita ki jenis niyo mo kita don kum kita ki jingmelien kita sniyo kita don haka Imlang ka Sahlang ka joni ngam penran ye ki nrai ka don kalat ye ki bakin wan chakmat bakin wat ya ka jing sumar ka sarkar laga de nakaliang joka health department laga de kaliang joka police department ka home defense ka home guards and civil defense lengba ki volunteers ki jonki pat ki officer kun jonki sir namta ki kena school ki kena college ki Imlang ka Sahlang ki ramba shnong mo kita baru kim don kam ban pek po ban pek ben yung tu nong di kerni hara jing di drugs henry nin kin tu nin kin ham ba kila bikin wan chakmat bikin wat ka jing sumar kidon kila ki jing ada mo piru ki volunteers mo pi kum ki kena school mo pi kum ki kena college haka Imlang ka Sahlang lara don ba pi mo ki itu yeno le se hin jong ki lani ki marjan ma pa ki le se na padeng ki baralok jong ki ba ngop kum ha kita ki jing sni kila ban yaslok eti ong yeki bakadang kadlak jingyada banlak na kani gajing milien ka sniyo namar ba lada kiyai beteng bakin im ha to gajing im kan ta mo kan pening kot no ya gajing im gajong ki kan ta ya ka ko ya ka yo ka kot kan ta ya ka health gajong ki lani mo ka bormet ka mental health gajong ki ka bor pakhat gajong ki tak lu iki habak tak itu we ke unhap ya kayu ka sambut tak lah namar balai hab
enforcement agency. So in our direct district in the last few years we get very good achievement and very good season of drugs. As my friend and colleague from Home Guard and Civil Defense officers, our district is the transit road to other part of the district headquarters, state capital and other part of the northeastern states, especially Tripura, Mizoram and some part within South Assam and Manipur. So we thanks to all our senior officers, we thanks the law enforcement, I thanks to all the district administration, especially the policy maker who help us to make whatever we do to support us. I could be come you borrow you don't hang me. Let's say ba inday ni celebrate tayang matagasi. Ni day to celebrate barok kasi kumami program the drugs free India. The drugs free India kumbawa la madam adu ada article la saya drugs free India. Ni ba inday ta mata man kasi in sedang ni drugs today ujipang kumku Jepang. The cancer in the society. Si symbol yung nga malasyo jingjapa. Let's say yung kumpu police department ki nila. Bonse di nila drugs from the peer pressure. Marlok sino mat sin asid. Kung nila investigation dan education yung ba. Tingin mo marlok. To sa tangsin ma bamiran. Congratulations dari kepak day dan day negatif sang doi. Pilih kena samla dengan OM. Ndel begitu tanya dua minggu. Ndak kami bansas apa gugul, umno gugul jong drops. Ngil mungkin kan. Kumangiong tidak siu ndak kami bansas. Piru ndak kami bansas. Ngil tu drops. Drops dari nongshung pada besiu. Selesai orang kidon kiwe. Kat dek broken family. Kadang ikut kiniru. Bapendi yang berpenjat.
So that is the first thing you should remember, that drugs might seem okay till the time you are taking them, but the moment you do not get the drug supply, you do not get it, it really harms your body, and that is how drugs affect badly. Second is not just the physical aspect but also the psychological aspect. Because your dependency is so much, a person who is a drug addict will think about drugs all the time. He will not be able to focus on his or her job, productivity will go, economic activity will go, and not only him but his whole family will suffer. So it is most important that youth should never get into this loop of drugs, because it is sometimes cool to be in a company where people are taking drugs and you say, okay, I will take just one time and I will take like only once or twice and nothing will happen. But drugs are so addictive that once you take 2-3 times, especially drugs like heroin, the dependency develops so much that it is very difficult to move back. So you should say no to drugs right from day one. On M, Yahoo drugs. I think I said correctly with the help of our Honorable MLA sir. So that is very, very important. Second is the youth should focus more towards sports. I think sports give you one direction, one physical activity which will prevent you from going towards drugs. So today also we had a marathon in the morning and I saw very good participation, even though it was arranged at a very short notice, but very good participation from the youth. So that was very encouraging to see, and those who have won, I would like to congratulate them, and to the others also I would say for the effort. I could see everyone was giving their best in the marathon, so the effort counts. So that is very, very important. Please give your effort to any physical activity, be it running, football, cricket, any sport that you play, that will help you stay away from drugs. Third is like that police, law enforcement do their work to handle the supply side. Like they have done yesterday itself they have got 130 grams of drugs, like he has said. Day before they have done. So police is already doing their job, and Briew being the transit district, police has to be more vigilant. But the other part is the demand side. For demand side, we are conducting these awareness programs to all of you youth, so that you do not demand drugs at all. And if there is no demand for drugs, then automatically supply for drugs will be less. So the message to you is that please do not demand drugs. Do not be in the company of people who might appear to you that they are cool and who might appear that you want to be part of the circle with the friends and all, but just say no. Because many drugs are called gateway drugs. So like marijuana or weed, you think that doesn't matter, I'll take 1 puff, 2 puff or like that. But slowly you will move on to the hardcore drugs like heroin and all, and then life is totally destroyed. So do not even take the gateway drugs like weed and all. They are also harmful. They will spiral down to a cascading effect and they will lead you to the hardcore drugs, which are very harmful. So,
women and children, the fight against many unfair means that has been happening in around our society. It is very much in existence for the past many years, and now also the government, the law enforcement agency, they are working hand in hand for this very menace in our society. And I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Social Welfare Department in collaboration with the Police Department and all the line department for the dedication, for the sincerity to fight against this menace in society. Tadi Pynjynjar persang timbang di Jakarta di Bogor di timbang di Bogor still Iaka met ini. Kini dia pun kalau ngomong-ngomong betul. Bagi berlang ini di nomtre Jakarta departemen ya. Kunjung na school ini kita bukai dia sekilas warna. Banyak itu nagam pun ya ini semua kok Imlang Sahlang ini kabaladon kabalarung Akilongi Longsem Ishnong out. It is a time that we have to work together. It is a time that we have to put our heads together. The law enforcing agency like the police
I would like to place on record my sincere thanks for the dedication to be very prompt in taking action against the drug supplier, the drug peddler. And we have heard from the DSP that even yesterday also, they have nabbed the culprit. And in the past also we have seen that police in Rivoy district, police in East Jaintia district, police in East Kashmir district and other districts of our state. They have tried their level best. But it won't end up on the way. Kamput terhangkat.
And on your left side of your chest, and please follow after me. Dear friends, today we are united to take the pledge under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to make community, family, friends, but ourselves drug-free, because change starts from within. So pledge together to make our Rivoy district drug-free. I pledge that I will take all efforts in my capability to make India drug-free.